Okay, okay, we got a slight problem here. Okay, we got a slight problem here, as you can see right here. Somebody, well, chain was kind of loose and started eating up this plastic. Got a replacement part for it. Cheap, $2 part, $2 US dollars, and would have cost me $22 shipping, but I managed to get at it and barely wiggle out of that. So hopefully this just pops off. We'll see. We'll see here. That. Well, apparently that's popped in there, so. Let's get the rag. Clean it up. Bobby, worthwhile. Clean this once in a while. Now that looks like it's just, now some people, it's really, some of my subscribers think, well, you don't got the tools. Well, he's probably no less set better. As you can see, that's let me come back and see what we can get to. I have critics saying, well, I'm not prepared or something, but don't throw stones when you live in a glass house too. So probably should have bought that part as well, as it would have been a quick turnaround. But now that I gotta deal with it. Let me think. Probably I guess this is the way to do it. Well, broke it, but they're a dime a dozen. Just go down to the bought these files. Bought these files at a surplus store, so hold on while I get some more screwdrivers. Screwdrivers.
Honey, come on over here, sugar buns. This machine just called me an asshole.
Gonna turn into a porcupine. Pretty soon. This is where good deals on Good deals on screwdrivers, you go. You always buy sit and you always got more. Okay, I finally got it. Now, I had to turn like a porcupine in order to get it, but I thought this would be the problem. But this is apparently just try to squeeze all these here. So just snap in like that. Yeah. Not clean, but it's going to get dirty anyways. The important thing is it works. Now look at this one. It's just somebody didn't have the chain tight enough. Somebody had the chain tight enough and had a little loose. So anyway, $2. This is a $2 plastic part, and you can see on top here, $2 plastic part and $22 shipping, American, all American money. You know, might as well, what a waste, but it is what it is. So you gotta crush those lips there on those on that reel. But next time, if I have to change this, I'll buy a new one of that with it. So it's just a quick swap, and later on, if you just change it out. But yeah, managed to avoid paying too much on travel costs. You know, we have a factory dealer here and nearby, but it would have cost me $16 in fuel just to go there and get it. So I just somehow managed to deal with that, and it just worked out pretty nicely. But yeah, these are cheap parts, and I mean, you know, get real. I just might as well go out and buy a new one again. But who knows? It doesn't really. Well, the problem more is the $2 part and the fucking $100 in labor if I would have given it to somebody else. So buying these saws, if it really goes, it's just really Might as well go get one. No. Somebody complained to me, you know, why didn't I clean it? Well, I'm lazy today. And it's good enough. So, there we go. Yeah, that was all there round up by the gear, so. You should consider sometimes of maybe you have to clean it. Probably once a year to take off this cover and clean underneath. I guess with any saw, if you're really seriously, well, if you're really seriously using it, I would say, yeah, you got to spend a ton of money for that's basically self-tightening, but piece of junk, $2 junk. And if you don't really take care of it, this is what's going to happen. For $2 part and $22 shipping. So I would definitely consider when you buy these stupid saws that you're going to get pretty cheap parts, and it costs you more to fix it than probably go out and buy a new one. So anyways, there it goes. $2 parts and $22 shipping. What can I say? Who wants that anyways? See you guys later.